Assalamu alaikum everyone, Sammy TZ reaction back with the reaction universe. Coming back with Scott Stackley, and we're seeing it saying Kalimotan Ka. Kalimotan Ka. It has been forget you. Yeah. So my name is Samuel from Arjun. I'm not playing up with more continuity reaction. I have depression, anxiety, attack on what I'm dealing with that, but alhamdulillah for everything. And yeah, let's start. Let's go right now with 3, 2, 1. It's coming out now. Let's start. Let's go see what's going on here. Everything amazing, everything great. I love this. So let's start. Okay, drums. Wow, the start. My God.
Pilit kung kinakaya na bumangon mag-isa sa
Wow, so sad. So sad, yo. So sad, I swear. Oh my god. So sad song. Touch your heart, yo. And his voice, oh my god. So stunning, so amazing. Unbelievable. And yeah, so touching and emotion, yo. So if you love my face, my reaction, everything, please subscribe to notification to follow me on TikTok and Instagram, and read the comment in the description if you like my video. Read the comment. I have problem between me and my dad, and I hope you can help me with anything. And that's all. Peace, love. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Salam, salam.